Okay, let's play a super fun icebreaker game, which is called Two Truths, One Lie. And this is the classic. Just select the channel and yeah, basically write down 3 statements about yourself. 2 have to be truths and 1 has to be a lie. Okay. I have 10k Instagram followers. I love Korean food. I like spiders. Okay. You select the lie. Oh, I'm not very much good at lying, but yeah. Statement A is the lie. I'm not even active on Instagram. Okay. And it gets posted, and basically everyone starts taking a guess. And yeah, of course, this is great for breaking the ice. It's a great team building exercise.